Hi guys and welcome. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter Loom Knitting channel. September 2025 starts on Monday. Are you guys excited? I know I am. So I've had a few questions and a few things that have changed since I first announced the cow. So I was asked if slipper socks were welcome, approved to be in the cow. The short answer to that is sort of. Okay, now that we have an official sponsor who is going to be providing prizes for the cow, it is not fair for me to say that slipper socks are acceptable throughout the whole cow. So what I mean by that is you will be allowed to knit one pair of slipper socks that will count, but no more than that, because you can knit a pair of slipper socks a heck of a lot faster than you can a pair of regular socks on the loom because of the yarn thickness. So only one pair of slipper socks will count towards your overall knitted pairs. You can do any type of sock. You can do a tube sock. You can do cuff down, toe up. Any type of sock will count. Whips are acceptable as long as there is at least 3/4 of finished work that needs to be done. So what that means is basically you have started a sock and you have only done the toe or you have only done the cuff. If you have done one sock in a pair, that is too many and that will not count towards the cow. I am going to be dropping a link below for a Google form. This Google form will need to be filled out when you finish a sock, a pair, not one, but two, a pair. I am asking that you either create a Ravelry project page with a link that you can put onto this form, that you, if you don't do Ravelry, post a picture on Instagram with the hashtag Socktember 2025 and send that link to me in the form, or I'm going to give you the option to upload a picture in the form. That way I can keep track of how many socks, how many pairs of socks each people are knitting. And the reason why is because now we have an official prize sponsor for the first ever Loom Knitting Socktember 2025. Cindy Wood Crafts has graciously offered a 10% discount to everybody who has subscribed to their newsletter for all sock looms in the month of September. In addition to that, this is where that Google form comes in, and you'll understand why I've had to kind of shift to this way. To the person who makes the most socks, the most pairs in the month of September, they will win a sock loom of their choice from Cindy Wood Crafts. We will have 2 additional runners up that will win a $10 gift certificate towards a loom on Cindy Wood Crafts. So I am excited. Thank you very much for offering these prizes to this first ever cow. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what everybody knits and what everybody comes up with. And also, if you are already in our Facebook group, which is linked below, that is another way that you can show that you have been knitting these socks, in addition to filling out the form. Because I'll have it set up where it will automatically go into a spreadsheet and tally everything so that I don't have to go back and count numbers and blah, blah, blah. I am still going to participate in this cow. However, I am not going to be participating in the aspect of winning a prize. I don't feel that that's fair because I am the host of this cow. So I hope all of this made sense. In a nutshell, slipper socks do count, but only one pair is allowed. Whips, you have to have at least 3/4 of your project to finish. You must, if you are wanting to go for the prizes, you must fill out the Google form and show a picture of your sock from, when you start casting on, one picture when you cast on and one picture when you finish. You can provide the link from either your Ravelry project page, your Instagram post, or you can share it in the Facebook group. And then all of that will be into that form. I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I want this to be a fun annual event. And I'm sure there will be a little bit of kinks here and there, this first time, because this is all new for every one of us. So yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to see how Socktember turns out. I can't wait to see everybody's beautiful projects and the beautiful yarns that you choose. Until next time, stay happy, stay cozy, and may all your socks find their matches. Bye.